Good morning, all. My name is Mike-eze. I'm taking you on the processes to follow in filling the EAD pad for the process of capturing of EAs for enumeration area demarcation. Now, before you can go into the field, there are so many things you have to put into place. First of all, you're given your PDA, and getting the PDA, you have to get an identity by first of all filling the profile. That is creating a profile, which is known as giving yourself an identity, making it possible for whoever that is handling your work to know who did the work. That's the GIS assistant that will be working with you. We know whose work he's handling at a particular time. Now, the first process, therefore, for us to follow is creation of a profile. How do we do that? On getting your PDA, you open to the PDA and you see on it apps. Click on the apps. Once you click on the apps, you also see where we have an icon called the EAD pad. The EAD pad might be version 3.0, 3.5, or 4.0, depending on which one we have to work with. Then you click on the EAD pad. For us here, what we have is EAD pad 3.0, which I normally, once you click on it, it gives us a welcome interface. You can see the EAD pad 3.0. There's welcome. Then we have National Population Commission. And when you come down a bit, you see Open EAD pad workspace. You click on it. Are we there? Yep. You click on it and it opens another interface called the main menu. The main menu has 12 icons on it. But as a demarcator, all you need is the first 6 icons. That is the create new case, incomplete case, completed case, my profile, pull boundaries, and export case. The rest of the icons there are needed by the GIS officers. So just be concerned with the first 6 that you will be using in the field for effective enumeration area demarcation. Now, because my pad has been used, I already have a name there. But if, for instance, it has not been used, there will be no name. So the first process will be to give it a name, an identity, by creating a profile. So on this stage, which of the icons do you think we'll be needing for us to create a profile? That's my profile. So I click on my profile. Then you see the marketer's location details. You see the state name, LGN name, ward name, and so on. So we click on the state name. And since we are working in central area Abuja, we scroll up and we can find FCT, that is state 14. We click on FCT. For the LGA, the local government area, we click and we select Abuja Municipal, because that is where central area is located. We click on Abuja located, Abuja Municipal. Then for ward name, we click and The ward name is city center. That's where the central area is. Then for code, it is automatically put by the pad, so we don't waste our time there. Then we now go to the marketer's team details. The team number 3, depending on which team you belong. If you belong to team 1, and in each team we normally have sets, 2 to 3 sets. Set 1, a pair of the marketers making set 1, 2, and 3. So if you belong to set 1 or set 2 or set 3, then you take the team and the set. So let's say, for instance, you belong to team 3 and set 1. Your demarcator's number will be 3-1. If you belong to team 10, set 3, your demarcator's number will become what? Correct. 103. So now since we belong to team 3, set 2, we are going to fill in. Click on that, put team 3, click on set number, put set 2. Then it gives us the marketer's number as 32. Now, for the marketer's personal details, we click on full name. By full name, it's expected that you fill in your first and last name. That is full name. We don't want only your first name or your last name. You're expected to fill your first and last name at least. If you want to put all your names, if you have 3, 4, it's good. But we must have your first and the last name. So we now type in Taiwo Ukim. Then we move down to phone number. Then you key in your phone number. Make sure the digits are complete. When you're through with that, you click on Save Details. Then an interface will pop up saying ensure all details entered in this field are correct. Once submitted, this would override all previous settings. Since it is correct, we click on Submit. And we are done. We already have created a profile. Thank you. My name is mike-eze, and I'm here to take you on the processes involved in capturing data with the EAD app, the new pad, as some of us call it, or the EAD pad. Alright, now before you can do that, you have to, first of all, create a profile. By creating a profile, we mean you have to give the PDA you're working with an identity to which it can recognize you. In other words, the profile will give you a name per se. That's the name you impute in the pad, which will help the GIS assistant to know whose work of Team 5. Automatically, what will your number become? Anybody? 5-1. If I'm working in Team 10 and my set is Good morning all. My name is mike-eze, and I'm here to where I am on assignment. I have seen 14 FCT, so I click
on FCT. For the automatically the word code